Hey guys, so I made this really weird borax slime. It has a weird texture. I expected it to dry out in one of my videos, but as you can see, it's not dried out yet. It actually kind of smells like acrylic paint though. It's a butter slime that has like a lot of powdered borax, so like that's where it clicks. Spreads are okay. I think I added too much like of a hard clay. That's why, and like the borax. This might make it softer. I heard water makes it softer if you used a lot of powder borax, but I already used water and like it didn't make a difference. So I am putting Febreze in it just to give it a little nice smell every time. Like smell it so you don't get this acrylic paint smell. Because as you can see, it's kind of blue. That's from acrylic paint. It's like so nice to touch, guys. I literally am in love with this slime. And I'll be showing you how to make it right now. But let me do, I like love this so much. Here, like see the inside. Look at that. Look at that texture on the inside. It's like so beautiful. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a bit more. So I do not want to get this on the counters. That would be horrible. So I bought my own new activator. So it's kind of softening it up, which is making me happy-ish, saddish. It kind of feels like dough, guys. It feels like dough, literally. Like if I molded it and let it sit, oh wait, yeah, it would relax, but it's not as stretchy, so like not as good spread. That's pretty good. Okay. Almost there, guys. One more away. If you see me on the street, I'll freak at you. Okay, so I think I added enough here. Friend miss me by a mile. My friend missed me by a mile. Okay. See, guys, that's how you know it's a true butter slime. Look at those spreads. I wish I could go grab a butter knife right now. But like, you can spread it right here. Those are some nice spreads. Like, this is probably one of the best butter slimes ever. So now, for the best time of your life, I'll be showing you how to make it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is this glue. And then I have activator in this little cup. And then I have more activator, which this stuff is Bonaium. I can't read it. It's Bonami. It's borax, I guess. My dad told me it was borax, so whatever. Like, we'll take my dad's word. I know this works, guys, so I'm going to use a lot. Just because I want a bigger slime, and I do not have to open this. So I have a little leak in the cup, so I can literally just use it right off the batch. Okay, my mixing tool is not a very good mixing tool. My hands got super messy last time. Yeah, okay, so once that is added, I usually add water instead of this. I should have a better mixing tool. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get a better mixing tool because this is just not working out. Fine, I guess we could use this. So I'm gonna use this. Yes, it's mixing much better. Okay, so it's not activating. So what I did added a lot of this borax. It's powder. Like a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. And if you just add this alone with no water or anything, I would mix it first with water and put a little bit, a lot of it in, I should say. And then let it mix like that. And see how it's not totally formed yet? That might be because I didn't add enough of my borax and water. So it gives it a super nice butter texture. There we go. I got borax all over my hands. But whatever. Okay, so now you can't really see, but it's kind of forming. Honey, no. There's little chunks of it forming. But really slow. I want to do some on my hands first. This stuff on my hands first, just because I'm washing this off. Oh, sorry guys. As I said, it gets super messy. So I would prefer you ask your parents before you do this. My parents right now know I'm doing it. I asked them off camera before this video. So yeah, all we need to do is that. Okay, so we'll mix it super hard. Dish and do, dish and do, dish and do, dish and do, dish and do. So you can see that's a little chunk forming. I think I added a little bit too much of this. Yeah. You go, Mixie. Mix it up, up, again. So now it's just literally this liquid slime. So this is going to take a long time, so. And I dropped my mixing tool. But at least it's kind of a liquid. All the slime is at the bottom right now. I'm almost out of borax, guys. I'm not so happy. It's supposed to work. If this doesn't work, girl, you won't be so mad. Literally, I'm adding more glue for this slime. This is me and my friend's glue, so. And my sister. I have a younger sister. You guys remember her? She's in some of my other videos. Freckles. Sort of looks like me, twins. Twins, as we say a lot, because we are. I don't think a lot of you believe us when we say we're twins. Take our word for it. We know us better than you guys. So, like, definitely I'm probably going to get, like, 4 cans of this. Because I went by this can in, like, a day. Okay. It's like I'm pouring cement. I'm making cement. And I know what cement looks like. My dad is a contractor. I sound like I'm spoiled. Spoiled rotten right now. I'm going right in with the hands to get all the chunks that I feel of slime. Okay, so like right here. Ooh, girl. This is super bad chunk. Okay, that's just excess stuff. If you guys want to see how it turned out. So yeah, it usually works. I don't know what went wrong here. Like, I honestly have no clue. Look back in the video. And guys, comment down below what went wrong. I think everything. Like, I'm getting the Sharpie all dirty, too. But I guess I'll throw it away. Wait, I think I'm actually bonding it a little bit. Go. Just keep mixing. I think it needed a stronger mixing tool. Oh my god, guys, I feel an actual forming. Look, this is like an actual formation. It's really thick. Okay. So, like, I wish I made this outside. It's like pitch black outside, so parents would still probably kill me if I did this. My parents know I'm doing this. They know I'm making a big mess. But they know. But they told me I have to clean it up, and I totally get that. So this soon might be the end of the video, but not yet. Soon, I said. Oh no. See, I'm just like wiping off my hands. So I'm getting this like nice and soaked. So I'm going to throw this away in the trash. My parents will never find it. I don't want them to find it. At least until my dad. Like, I finished my borax. I'm not going to tell him I finished my borax till like next week. So like, yeah. So I'm going to keep that in there. Liquid. Okay. Now. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. You guys. Thank you so much. Comment down below. Comment down below. Parakeets. I love parakeets or something. A bird. Comment down below. I love a bird or something. What type of bird? Just say. Okay.